Hey guys, we're going to go over our letter stories. So this should be fun. Nothing but story time. Letter A. Remember, Miss Hendry was walking through the swamp and out jumped a big mean alligator and she said, ah, because A says, ah, ah, ah. Good. All right. Letter B. Miss Hendry was picking flowers in the field and a big bee came up. And Miss Hendry said, it's a bee. B says, b. Letter C. C is for Miss Hendry had a lot of cats. And one of her cat had a hairball and spit on her. Ooh, he said, because C says, Miss Hendry was in the yard with her dog for the letter D. And he started digging a hole and he said, d, d, d. Letter E. Mama Elephant said, come here, baby elephant. And baby elephant said, eh? Letter F. Miss Hendry was warming up by the fire in the forest. Let me put this over here. And a sneaky fox came by. He saw her fire and he tried to blow it out. Oh no! Bye, guys.